there we go. Hello. There we go. Whew. I think I gotta fix my checklist. Yeah, that was weird. OBS was acting up. And so I couldn't talk to anybody. And we all know how, I mean, some no sound streams can be good, but I don't know. I've never. Oh, there was a window. There was a Windows update. Oh, so apparently it reset my mic. Oh, that makes sense. That's pretty frustrating. And there are some other weird things too, so I know I gotta redo my checklist. I know. I'm there. I'll redo it. Today, I don't even know. Like, I think that I got the hash passwords and the, like, kind of, I didn't do the cookies yet or the two-factor authentication. But those are, like, stated to be really important for app time. So we'll fix those. We'll fix the checklist, and we'll leave those two items there. And there we go. Checklist. Task 1. I don't know. Let's move cookies and auth up. Because that's probably gonna, and I think I also want to work on like a first page, like authenticating for the first page maybe, but that's not second. I kind of want to look into two-factor authentication too. So we'll move 2FA up and we will do the first page, like the home page. I don't think I'm going to, I don't think I'm going to like really design much today, but just have something like working so that people can log in. I mean, nobody's going to log in yet, and I did create a login page, and I think I'm going to do some testing too, just some like, I don't really know if I want to call it testing, but I kind of want to play with it a little bit, just to see like what's there and look into Django a little bit more. So that's my checklist, and let me just uncheck. Yes, I probably do need to. I mean, I can just cookies and cats. Cookies, cats, and Python would be a fun. And Python. That'll be great. Good. All right, cool. All right, we can scooch out of here. Update. Whew. So many things. I was late today because I was at improv and it was really, really hot. And so I had to shower. I was like, no, girl, you gotta like, it's so sticky today that I desperately needed to just like refresh and be like, okay, like let's feel like a person again. And so that's why I was a little late, and then we ended up having technical difficulties. So it's been a really fun time today. Yeah. So, Old Soppy, I don't even know what you had for dinner. What'd you have for dinner? I had like, I'm still eating Hershey Flips for dinner. I had ramen today and chocolate nothing. That's horrible. I wonder whose fault that is. Probably mine. Oh, I don't like that crunch. Oh man, pretzels are not a good stream food. That's gotta be annoying to hear. That's okay. Hershey Flips are like my hyper focus food. It's the food I'm focusing on right now, where I just like eat them all the time. So that's a thing. I don't like this. Too much crunching. And I have tea. I have Black Dragon still, and I have an Arizona iced tea. I've got all the drinks and water, so I'll be hydrating through this entire stream, which is good, because I need to. Okay, so today I'm just gonna explore the authentication a little bit. I think that I want to learn more today than I code, but I will be writing some code hopefully, just because I want to make sure that I know what I'm getting into, and so today is going to be a lot of like, okay, like searching. Like what's the best way to store cookies and how to store cookies in Django and how to sort of follow your login through the whole life of an app. And of course, I don't have any other like screens or anything yet. Oh, I'm so stupid with the pretzels because they're so crunchy. Like that can be good. It's delicious though. Yummy. I'm so happy eating pretzels. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna get right into it, because there are more people to like chill with and be like, yeah, how was your day? I'd be happy to know if anybody's like lurking, wants to tell me about their day. I'm really interested. Oh, Profits! Hey, did you have a super day? Thanks for the raid. That's awesome. I saw you over there on your stream. Love us digging this music. It's long. The music is so long. You're worth it though. A pooper day? Josh, you had a pooper day? I'm sorry, Ben. So wait, okay, wait. I'm confused. So were you just trying to, yeah, we should definitely shorten that. I can't hear my own self think. Profits. I saw the point you were at with your game, so it's pretty cool. I'm like really excited to play it. Like I kind of want to borrow it someday and play it on my stream. I just want to like, yeah, no. I mean, who cares? It does what you want it to. That's all that that computers need to do for us, right? Your day was okay, just a normal day. Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. Just make the computer do what you want. And if it gets slow, then that's what matters, right? Then you fix your code and make it faster. It doesn't have to be right. It just has to be like, it just has to do what you want. And granted, like, I think the randomness you got to make sure is there, but I think that's in your code. I think you've got like a lot of fun stuff. It's so cool. I'm really excited. I'm really excited to be able to play with it. So I don't know, like, do you share it? Oh yeah, we went through this, right? Because you said you didn't necessarily share it on Git yet, but when you do, I'm going to pull it and I'm just going to be like sitting in the corner like, okay, I'm going to like, now I'm going to attack. And I'm just so excited. So yeah, if you don't, I don't know if I have a shout out, but if you don't follow Profits, really fun game that he's making, and a lot of really cool people, good community. So if you don't follow him now. Do we have a shout out? I don't know if we have a shout out. If we don't have a shout out, we're going to make a shout out, but let's see if this works. It doesn't. It probably doesn't. No, curses. We'll get a shout out for you, Profits. But if you don't follow Profits, follow Profits. Actually, I think everybody in here was brought in by Profits. So you probably already do. Oh, it did? Oh, good. Okay, good. That's awesome. Oh, it says check them out at Twitch TV, but we got to add Profits' name at the end of that so that it goes straight to his channel. So, yeah, anyway, it was nice to, oh, okay, you fixed it already. Got it. Awesome. Good. What am I doing this evening? So I'm going to work on my app a little bit more. So I'm going to so right now we have a login screen, which is really cool. And I can show you that in a second if you're sticking around. And then we're also like adding users, and then we're going to like, basically persist their login through the app. So like the authentication and the cookies, and I'm going to start to understand like what the backend, is involved in the backend there. And we're using Django in Python, the Django framework, to do that. And so, yeah, so I'm pretty excited to start. I might actually, I was just going to scooch over right now. And then you rated so graciously. Yeah. I think, so we've talked about this in my stream. Oh, let's move this this checklist. It's not a cookie. It says cookies. Because we've talked about that in my stream, like whether Flask or Django, like which one is better. And I don't necessarily think there's a better, but like Flask makes you piece together your own packages to create the architectural structure of an app. And Django kind of already has a set structure, and that's why I'm using it, because like I'm not versed enough in app structure to really feel comfortable using Flask. I mean, I started with it. As a matter of fact, you can, if you like ever want to try, you can pull it up on my GitHub and take a look. What is this? Always, it always comes to this one. That's cool if it's a better framework than with more built in. Yeah, so I don't think it's better, but it's easy for me. It's easier, like as I would say an advanced beginner, or like maybe an intermediate beginner, to kind of think about it on more of a like, okay, what directs where in the app, rather than Flask where you like build in your like you say, hey, I want a templates package, and then you have to go search the internet for what a good Python templates package is, or a Vue package. And I'd much rather just have it kind of right in front of me the first time I build it. And then maybe when I refactor the app someday, when right before it gets like super famous and everybody uses it and it's celebrated all over the world, a girl can dream. Then maybe I'll refactor it with Flask or something else, like something I learn down the road. Maybe by then Django will be like sunset and people will be like, nah, we don't want that. There's like I don't know if you know who Finite Singularity is, but he uses Django for the back end of his app, and then Angular and something called, I think it was called Ionic in the front end, maybe. And so he uses Django for the back end. So there's definitely like it's still really useful. And so, yeah, so we'll see, I mean, who knows? Software changes so quickly. So many shiny things. Yeah, I know. I totally agree. Like, and I mean, it's sometimes tough because you're like, I don't know which shiny thing to look at. There's so many, fantastic frameworks and languages and structures. Too many things in web development. Absolutely, Josh. There are way too many things. How is your project going, by the way, the one that you're going to let us critique in a couple of weeks, Josh? Or you must do it. You do it in Svelte, right? Which I've never even heard of Svelte. Like it'd be great to know it's done and you want to show it off. Oh, August 2nd. That's when I'm gonna put everybody's code up. Okay, little tweaks. All right. Do you want me to do it sooner? I might. I just next week I'm actually going to be streaming kind of funky Thursday because we're going on vacation, or a short vacation, which is exciting, like a weekend getaway. And so I will be, what do I have as my folder? Every time I come in here, we'll do this so that where did she go? Where'd she go? What is she talking about? Why is she not talking to us anymore? Is she crazy talking to herself? Sorry, everybody, I'm back. Yeah, so what was I saying? Yeah, so I think, so next Tuesday, and then I think I'm going to switch my Saturday streams to Sunday, because Saturday, there's just too many, streamers. And I mean, I like having help from you guys, and I need it desperately sometimes. And so like if you're off like watching someone else, I'm totally cool with that. But like, have I updated the schedule yet? No, but I can do that. I'll make sure I do it before the end of the night. So we'll update the schedule. So yeah, I'm thinking Sunday is when I want to come back on. Ooh, I love that sound. Cheers, everybody. It's raspberry flavor. Not cold. Oh, not good for today. Oh, it's like warm raspberry tea. That was surprising and not in a good way. Oh no. Oh no, Chrissy. That was gross. I'm going to do it again though. I should get some ice. That's a really good idea. So our ice is, so we have well water and our ice is crazy salty. I mean, not crazy salty, but it's like, it's saltier than other people's ice. It's like, ugh, I'm not going to cool your water. Salty ice. I'm not funny. Sorry. So I don't know if I want to put it in there, but I could. Actually, I might grab some ice in a few minutes. Hey, Pai Lang, nice to see you. Excited to hear what you have to bring today to the table. Mostly your jokes. I keep eating these pretzels and they're just crunchy and they're not appealing to listen to. Sorry, everybody. Them's the breaks. I didn't have anything for dinner. Excited for you to be here, Pai Lang. You're supposed to bring the comedy. I mean, I think you're funny. So, what? Where'd he go? Maybe he's going to get ice. So yeah, okay. Goes to Walmart. Is a comedy at Walmart? Something, well. Oh, so crunchy. Are you getting Hershey Flips? Because they're delicious. I feel like, I don't know what BCS is. I don't know what that is, Old Sloppy. I keep messing with my hair. I gotta stop doing that. Warm tea, everybody. Cheers. Ooh, bring Chrissy snacks. Yes, it absolutely is a bring Chrissy snacks. Pies. Do you make pie? Pai Lang? Bring Chrissy snacks stream. BCSS. Yeah. What snacks did we bring tonight? Old Sloppy brought nothing, apparently. Profits, what are you snacking on? Do you snack while you code? Pai Lang. Ah. Pai Lang. That's smart. Chocolate covered almonds. Oh, that's healthy and delicious. Dark chocolate or milk chocolate? I like milk chocolate. I know. I'm a heathen. Yeah, I know. I'm a heathen. I'm going to. Yeah, that's how that goes. Josh, what are you eating? Anything good? Pai Lang, you got any snacks? I'm so hungry. I'm like, where's the food? Someone tell me about food. I more consume pies than make them. Yes, I'd like to eat vicariously. That's a weird thing conceptually. All right, so let's pull up a terminal just while we're hanging out. Wait, okay. What's nothing working? Control Shift P. Oh, create terminal. I got it. I did it. Okay, and now we're in Soapbox. Why isn't my virtual environment working? Come on, virtual environment. I have to find it. Vicarious eating is a trend. Said like I don't know what it is, but oh, Taco Bell. Oh, I would like some Taco Bell. I would love to have any food. I'm so hungry. I'll go eat ice. Chalupas are S tier. Absolutely. Have I still not selected a deep? No, maybe. I don't know. I think so. But it usually goes straight to my virtual environment. So I don't know. Maybe I don't. Maybe I don't know. So no, Moomy. I'm ashamed to say that I have not yet selected a Python interpreter for Python VS Code. Put it on the checklist. Yeah, I can put it on the checklist, but I'm not going to because it's kind of embarrassing that I haven't done it yet. All right. So to select interpreter. I don't want Jupyter. I don't know which one. Recommended one? That's the Windows Store one. I don't want the Windows Store one. I want this one. Does that make sense? No virtual environment streaming. I am. I did. Python select interpreter, and I did that, and then I picked one, and it's I'm good to use either, but I don't know. And then I have to actually activate this. I just don't want to activate my virtual environment. I scoff at Windows. I don't scoff at Windows. I am Windows. I have Windows. This is Windows. Yeah, it is the wrong directory. That's why I'm moving up. So I do, now I'm in the Twitch app, which is the one up. What if I do this? It still doesn't matter. Okay. I think I got to move this up. Well, I don't think I have to do this, though. I think I just say, don't I say, yes, you can ask a personal question, although I may not answer it. I think I do virtenv, and then I do scripts. How am I? How are you? Is this like a couch question, Pylang? Is it like a, how have you been? Are you all right? No, I'm just embarrassed because Moomy told me to select a Python interpreter a while ago and I didn't. Or I did and I just moved. I moved. What are you? Oh, nice. Who are you? Who is Gamora? Yeah. Welcome, Kandarsa. Cat. Oh, where is Cat? She left. Oh, the jerk. I mean, I can't really call her a jerk. I don't know where she went. Cat went away. It's just plain old Villa. How am I today? So, I was really excited at work because I'm redoing our database. This isn't even the Django project. Thanks, Moomy. Dumb. People make mistakes. All right, look at all of this green though. It means I haven't at all pushed this to Git. Okay, this is the Django project, and here we go. We're gonna pull up a new terminal. So I'm okay, Pylang. I think I had a really great day at work, like I said, because I am basically pulling some coupled code out of the code base and putting into the database. I think I say data most of the time. Data. Yeah, I probably should say data, but I'm, from the Northeast, so I say data. Yes. So I did do it, Moomy. I think I did select I don't really know. Like, if you can explain why I messed this up, or why it, like, because it just wasn't the right. I say Pylang and Kandarsa. Yes, I appreciate the way your pronunciation is far better than either of mine. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I just want to show, cause we got to a really cool place last time. Oh, right. No, sorry. I want a new terminal again. I've got 3 of them. Okay. I want another one because this doesn't have the virtual environment. All right, good. Yeah, I just opened the wrong project. I would say that is, what's the extension used for tabs? Green, purple. Ugh, I wish Lawnmow was here because Lawnmow knows all of my extensions. Let me pull them up. Actually, if you go on my Discord, it's Lawnmow gave me a bunch of advice about what extensions I should use. So I'm not exactly sure which one is which, but he just like piled them on me and was like, "Hey, use these extensions," and I've liked them so far. So let me see. I can look for the one that was. I don't know which one made it green, but you can just search through the programming and stuff for. Let me just see if I can extensions. I know he's gave me black, so I can look for the word black. I guess it's not there. I don't know what it's in, but Lawnmow is really good at knowing the extensions. And I think, let me take a look at them. Installed. Error lens is the one that pops up like your errors on the side. Indent rainbows here. More green squares than me. Very nice. Yeah. I don't know how many green squares I have. I don't know. Maybe it's black. It's good formatting. I'm not sure. It's pretty, but I'm not sure which one it is. Indent rainbow. To-do tree. It's not to-do tree. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know which one it is, but that's my list of extensions. Okay, so we're gonna start this app, which I finally know how to do. And I'm really getting good at knowing the next step, which is exciting. So we're gonna run the server, because I gotta go into Soapbox. Indent rainbow, basically, see the colors here? It's like just makes your indents really obvious so that you can close them in the right space. It's cool. I like it. I don't hate it. Let's see if it's in mine. I mean, it's going to be in all of them. So just changes the colors of the indents. I don't mind it. Yeah, it's pretty cool, Profits. What's get related piling? Let me go look. Oh, I don't know. Not worky. Oh, she was there. Was she there? She'll come over. She's coming over. Yeah, I don't know, all of there is a list, and if you do end up joining my Discord, Condarsa, which there is no pressure to do. I love anybody in any form hanging out. But I'll search for it and I'll tag you. Like I'll reply to it and tag you because it was helpful. Can indent rainbow paint with all the colors of the wind? I don't know. Can it sing with all the voices of the mountain? You feel pressured already? Never mind. Don't worry about it. I never said anything. You should not feel pressured. You should feel welcomed in chat, and that's it. Has everything but seafoam green. Is that true, Profits? Are you making this up? All right, so now I can start the server, and that should work. And then we're going to go to the server. This is so exciting. I'm so excited to show you this, Moomy. Like, really excited. Because we worked so hard, and I know you have been working. Look. Oh, what? Hold on. Auth account. I think it's auth. There we go. Auth accounts login. So I've got a login. Yeah, very funny. I've got a login page. And I've even got a single login person and an annoying password because you can't do it won't let you do an easy password, which is really frustrating. And then it pulls you to the home, which I don't have a page for this, which is why I've got it on my checklist today to play with the app and make a homepage. I know, I feel like legendary. I don't feel legendary. Maybe what's the one below legendary? I know, I'm so excited. I just, I'm so happy. Nice. You let Nginx do. I mean, technically I'm letting Django do off for me, technically. But I don't know. And like I said, at the beginning of the stream, I was like, well, I really need to understand what's going on. So what? OBX is letting me. Oh, wait. That's not where I am. I'm trying to move this so you guys can see better. I think I'm going to put it right. No, that's not a good spot. I'll say that's a good spot for now. Yes, I am. So I don't know yet what I'm going to do for two-factor authentication. I think it'd be really cool to do a QR code, but I don't have that right now. Probably it might just be an email or something to start off, but then I need a mail server, so I'm not sure yet. But part of the reason it's on the checklist is so that I can understand more about it and get it going. So we'll definitely see where it goes. And like I said, a lot of tonight is going to just be me learning and figuring things out. The next thing that I want to do is learn how cookies are used in Django if you need them. OTP is pretty okay, cool. So let's check that out then. I guess I'll move this over. Well, we'll keep it over here until I find. So OTP setup in Django. If that's okay. Creating and verifying one-time passwords. User enters OTP. If OTP is valid, mark the phone as verified, else throw the error. Okay. Let's look at this guy. I always do the easy stuff first. Oh, yeah. I mean, I have cookies. I can eat some cookies. I can mail you some cookies. ¿Por qué no los dos? So I don't know what no los. Why aren't there two? Is that what that is? Or why aren't. Why? I don't know what dos is. ¿Por qué no los dos? Wah, wah. Wah, wah. Okay, so why not have both? Oh, ¿por qué no los dos? I got you. That makes sense. Cookies and cookies. I didn't know that. Now I know. Okay. I don't know if I want to use, extending OTP. So Django actually has its own OTP that is probably in the Django documentation. OTP, and let's see if we can find it. That says Django OTP official, but I don't buy it. I feel like this is where I expect. I also got a new book for Django. Yes, I am gonna try to learn some stuff tonight. Is that bad? Is that a bad thing? Does it say code with me? Oh, it should say learn with me. It should say desperately try to help me. Oh, I will absolutely get distracted. Yes, no worries. I did not factor your distraction factor. And so maybe we'll have to refactor the distraction factor into the stream. Piling, you're very good at it. So it looks like Django doesn't have OTP Does that make it 3-factor authentication? Okay, well then I'll switch it. People are going to be like, why does she put... I'm going to switch it though. 3-factor authentication tonight. No, I'm going to do it. This is your fault. This is your fault, prophets. Your fault. Now we're going to have 3-factor authentication. And everybody's going to be like, what does this girl think she's doing? That's why I said I'm learning, friends. 3FA, man. That's it. Is we the username field as well as another auth factor? I don't know. No, it's 3-factor authentication now. You're gonna have to live with this for the rest of the night. That's how it's gonna go. All right. So I guess there's no OTP in this FAQ thing. So I guess we have to use this, but I don't know if anybody has a better one-time passwords. Project makes it easy to add support for one-time passwords. It can be integrated at various levels. So if you're looking for a higher level, more opinionated solution, you might be interested in Django 2-factor auth. I skipped a whole bunch of stuff when I was reading this because I didn't want it to be uninteresting, but I realized I shouldn't have. The primary target is developers wishing to incorporate one-time passwords into their Django projects as a form of 2-factor authentication. Okay. All right. That's me. I want to do that. Several simple OTP plugins are included. What do you mean are included? In Django? That's what I'm guessing. And more are available separately. This package, oh, this is a package. All right, so let's start with that by like installing, let's see if we do pip install Django OTP. Is this the one I should use? Oh, it's already satisfied. It's already in there. Okay. So let's see. This project is stable. That's good, but it's no longer actively used. Good to know. Good to know. Oh man, I can't just scroll. I hate clicking, man. I don't enjoy it. It's not a fun time. I think you should email them and ask if 3FA will be available. It's getting cooler. I'm not sure why. Is it just sitting there open? Is it losing heat? I don't know. All right. So I installed it. I don't think I need to upgrade it. The easy way. Let's see. Soliciting an OTP token from a user is more complicated than soliciting a password. Lumi, you said this was easy. For one thing, each user may have any number of OTP devices registered to their account, and the token itself won't tell us which one is intended. All right. So I don't think I've ever used a one-time password. Is this just the like 6-digit thing that you get from the bank when they're like, we want to verify that you're login, and it's just like, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Oh, okay. So this is the easy way. This is the replacement for Django contrib auth views login view. Okay, so I've got the login view right now. I already kind of started. So we're going to go to views. Oh, maybe I don't. Hold on. I thought I did. Is it in authenticate index? No, it's not in here. It's not in my templates. Of course it isn't. Yeah, so it's in the views. Okay, I'm just going to trust it. Yes, Piling, what is your question? I'm excited to answer, always. Do I know what I'm doing? Sometimes. I could probably have another field below the password for the one-time password pin. You deal with OTP? Boy, you know me. You just aged yourself, Piling. I think. Mummy just disappeared. Mummy's not here anymore. He was like, oh, this girl. That's okay. It's no big deal. I love everybody for however long they stay. The easy way. It's slightly clever. I love that this says it's slightly clever. If the user is already authenticated but not verified, it will only ask the user for their OTP token. If the user is anonymous, this is a good view for OTP login URL. I'm a little bit nervous about this. I'm not exactly sure how to implement it, but let's see. Let's see if we can figure out how to implementation Django OTP. I think it goes in the views. Probably want to go with time-based one-time password specifically. I think all you need is like one field in your code base and some way to show the QR code. I think you're right. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, this is really good to know, actually, how OTP works. So the OTP calls, the key is generated, and then an OTP is generated, and then sending OTP. And that's interesting. Through a provided phone number. At first, the OTP code is requested by a client through a provided phone number or email. Then a key is generated, OTP is created and sent. The user enters the OTP code on the portal. Oh, okay. Oh, so this is Pi OPT. Should we? I just don't know. I should probably use Django OPT, but this will show me how to. Maybe. I think you're right. I mean, I think I just have to like take this, copy it, put it in a view. It must be. But that looked like it was in, darn it. That looked like it was in the URL patterns. So let's just actually, so let's just go this, like I'm just gonna take this, go to the, pull this to the side. I don't want a new tab. Sorry, I'm hitting extra things tonight. It's the lack of food. Okay, there we go. And then we're gonna pull the code right here. All right, so we go to the URLs, and then we're gonna go to from Django.contrib.auth.views contrib. Import login view. See, something's off tonight, guys. It's not a bad thing, but. All right, and you said time-based, which we can figure out in here somewhere. Okay. And then from Django OPT forms. Yeah, here we go. .forms. Import OTP authentication form. Okay, sweet. That wasn't too bad. Okay, so I think I have to then, because accounts, the whole accounts thing needs to be in here for every other account path. Why does this say URL? I guess this says URL because this is, I don't know any of this syntax right here. Our accounts login and then $. I'm not sure this is going to work the way I want it to because I have to, I mean, we'll get there. We will definitely get there. As underscore view and then authentication underscore form equals OTP. All right, let's see what's, so it looks like the URL isn't what they want. Do I need path here? But then what's this R? Like, I've never seen this before. What year was this made? I mean, you'd think it was pretty new. Let's see. 2012. Whew. Hey, Crispy. What's up? It's nice to see you. All right, so let's see what that, the time-based, nothing. I don't think I understand piling. Is that like a Stranger Things reference? I don't understand. Cat is back. Cat's back. URL. So this doesn't seem like it's working. Normally I'm with you. Does that work, you think? U R L Are? No. I don't know. I don't know what it is. I have to remember the Spanish alphabet and then I can say it better. So this doesn't seem to be, you're fine. You're fine. It's okay. I like your jokes. You hit them 99 out of 100, so don't worry about it. Okay, so we are going back to the server. And then I want to see if this works. So account, login. What's this $sign though? I'm not sure this is going to work. Yeah, see, it's frustrated. It's like mad at me for something. Earl. Let's do the Earl. We're all our own worst critic. Oh, end of string? Okay. So this should work. So I don't know if I need this though anymore. And then now they're fighting. Like, does this, do I need to like, yeah, something's up. Because I need the auth first. That's why, because it's auth accounts. Okay, and that didn't work. So now we need the R and this caret, because this is what was here before. Okay. I don't think this is gonna work though. Yeah, so this didn't work the way I expected it to. And I don't know if I did anything else. So class, you must supply, if the user is anonymous, in order to use this, you must supply a template that is compatible. So I need the template. It needs a template. That's got to be it. But I would think that the, so is, okay. I'm not sure. Ural, come back now here. Okay. Hey, Coding and Gaming with Adam. Welcome. Oh my goodness! You met my follower goal. 100 followers. Thank you so much, Coding and Gaming. Adam. I think probably Adam is what I call you. Or I can call you Coding and Gaming with Adam. But that's awesome. Thanks for the follow. Thanks for hanging out. Okay, so what I'm looking for here is, I know, 100 followers. I'm so excited. Actually, if I bet Old Sloppy's on. Yeah, that's what I needed to do. Capuchin. So I think I'm missing something here. Hype. I'm doing okay with my Django site. Thank you so much, Profits. I appreciate it. Couldn't do it without the awesome community that I already have, including you, and I'm part of your community. Yeah, so Adam, welcome to the stream. I am enjoying building my app. I am trying to build in an OTP right now, and I'm trying to cut corners, so that's kind of the problem. It seems like fairly easy, but for some reason, I think I need a template or something. So we're just trying to work with the authentication first because it's the easiest. I'm just here for the face scans. That's funny. Cool. So yeah, so it's good. It's going well. But if you love Django and can help, like, I'm happy to use any advice. We're all really learning together. And I'm kind of confused. So this is saying, if I want to require two-factor authentication in the default login view, which is here, although I wonder if it also needs to be here. Like, I wonder if it just needs to be under views too. So I'm actually gonna like do a quick read through here because like I want to make sure this is OTP. Are you using this as two-factor authentication or just login? I'm using it as two-factor authentication. It's my goal. If you can see my checklist, is my goal. It says three-factor authentication because there's a distraction factor. It's a chat joke. It's a really bad one. Yeah. 3FA. Kundarsa, did you see the cat's back? Just for you. I asked her. I said, come back for Kundarsa. So yeah. Yeah, so we are just trying to figure this out. It seems like it's pretty, if you're using Django's built-in login view, you're already using the default authentication form. Am I? I don't think I am. I invented three-factor authentication 20 minutes ago. Just a tip, you may, thank you. This is what I am interested in. Oh, whew, is this you? Okay, this is terrifying. Is there documentation? So you just think, oh, here we go. Complete two-factor authentication for Django. Built on top of one-time password framework, Django OTP. Yeah, I see. Okay, cool. For providing the easiest integration into most Django projects. Cool. If you run into all right, sweet. Installation. Refer to the installation instructions. All right. This will make this easier and easier to understand. Jazzband is like the Python orphanage of neat projects. Okay, that's good to know. Not sketchy at all. Very cool. Hopefully it has three-factor authentication. Distraction factor. So yeah, so Adam, can I call you Adam? Or do you want me to call you your full name? Coding and gaming with Adam. I can do either, whatever you want. But I am building an app to beat Yelp. I want to beat Yelp. That's Mr. Coding and Gaming with Adam to you. Yeah, that's fine. I get it. Old sloppy. Okay, so then I did that. Oh, what is this? With extras specified. Merge request coding and gaming. He, she, them is a legend and Adam is fine. Great. Cool. Chef coding and gaming. Senor. Pai Lang? Do I? You said Pai Lang. Pia Long. Is that what it really is? Pia Long? Josh. Funny. Okay. So I messed this up already so far because you see it says you can install this and its dependencies, and it uses a phone number field which requires either phone numbers or phone numbers lite to be installed. And I have to specify extras now. And I didn't realize it, but it's because I'm so Slavic. Pilong. Phone numbers. Lite. I think probably lite. Rupert. All right. That's what you're stuck with now, though. All right, here we go. So we downloaded the phone numbers lite. Setup. Installed apps. Add the following to the settings. Installed apps. Here we are. Here we go. One more time. Sorry, can't help it. All that stuff. That's so much stuff. All right, Django OPT. Pi is okay. Not just the R's, but the U and the P's too. Yeah, okay. So we're gonna put Django underscore OTP PT OTP, sorry. And then all these. I'm just gonna cheat. I'm gonna cheat. What is a YubiKey? I don't know what a YubiKey is. I'm gonna take some of these out because I don't think I'm ever gonna. I don't know what a YubiKey is. So we've got a OTP static, OTP TOTP. That's interesting. OTP email, two-factor plugins, two-factor email, two-factor YubiKey. Hardware store pin. Gotcha. Cool. Thank you. If you want email capability, I don't need this. I just want to delete this. I'm just going to guess that that's an email. All right. Yeah, everything is silent. Sounds more like an Pi. Like a USB with an encryption key on it. That's fun. That's fun. Thank you for the info, Profits. I didn't know that. Okay. And then I have to add stuff to middleware. Oh, boy. No, this is not a big deal, though. This is appreciated. Thank you, Mr. Coding and Gaming with Adam. I appreciate it. Okay. Login URL. Oh, man. 3 a.m. Well, thank you. That's awesome. I won't wake you up, though. I will absolutely ask. If you love Django, I mean, I love Django too, but I love Django as a beginner. So, thank you, Mumi. Right here. Thank you. Mumi's the best. Literally the best. Top of my list. And then I don't want to make the rest of the list. Yes, thanks for stopping in, Coding and Gaming. Thanks, Profits, for doing that. Profits is like managing my my hellos and goodbyes. Thank you, Profits. Thanks, Adam. 3 a.m. is early. I'm on Sunday. Well, no, it's always going to be 3 a.m. I do a lot of late night because that's when I've got the time and when I'm thinking coding. So I actually have an interesting thing that I kind of want to put out to everybody in the chat. And if you're, just lurking and hanging out, I have an opportunity to change jobs. And one of the jobs is a software position that I've been contracting at. And the other is my current job. And my current job pays more than the software position, the first time software position. I've been contracting at the software position for about 8 months. But the software position wants to take me on full time, but at less what I'm getting paid at the other job. And so you don't have to vote, but if you want to throw your thoughts in, you were a beginner in it around 4 weeks ago. Whew. You've been contributing to one of the largest Django open source software for a few years. So you like get the framework kind of by looking at it. That's how I feel about Laravel and PHP. Like I get the framework because I've seen it and I kind of understand it, but I would still, I haven't started, well, I've started my own app, but I haven't finished it. So which job, Kundarsa? The software job? So I'm a data analyst. That's what I'm good at. That's what I do. That's what I know. So yeah, profits. Oh, okay. Need more details about each job. Okay. So does anybody care? I'm just going to let the middleware sit for a second and talk about this a little bit. So if we care and we want to dig into code, I'll do that. But, okay. So this side job is a data analyst job and I'm good at it. I feel comfortable. What it allows me to do is kind of do my job and leave. Like I can shut off and then I can do fun things like build my app and grow as a software developer like at home. And I really like that. I really like that. My brain doesn't really have to have, and it does still stretch. I am challenged. But it's not a challenge that gives me stress outside of work, which is really nice. The software job I've been doing on the side, like I said, since January. And actually I do UX, UI, I write specs for that job. I do bug fixes. I'm in the code all the time. It's a lot more multifaceted and I get paid, even to start. It's about, I guess I could do a percentage. It's about 70% of what the other job pays me or a little bit more than that, maybe 75%. Yeah, I know. Yeah. I know and I think I can build my portfolio in other ways, but I've also been working with this software company. So I don't know. It's interesting because like, yeah, but I don't, I mean, I actually think I could be really happy if I stayed at this one job because there's a lot of stability and the boss is incredible and it pays more. And I'm really happy there because I can kind of challenge myself still, but I'm good at my job and I like being good at it. And then the other job, like it's multifaceted, but it's high stress and it changes. Yes, absolutely. There's more time. There will be more free time with the job that I'm already good at, the data analyst job. And so the second job is definitely going to be more stressful, but I want to grow as a developer or I want to grow. I don't know. I want to grow, I guess. And yeah. Happiness is key. I think I can be happy at both places, but free time. Yeah. So profits, free time is good right now though. All right. I think that the consensus is that I should go for what makes me happy. And I don't really. Yeah, less pay and more. That's how I feel, Moomy. Like less pay and more stress. I don't want that. I mean, I like what they do. It's impressive. And yes, and I think you're right, profits. Like I'm excited for the challenge and excited. How can I be happy using PHP? That's hilarious. I agree, Moomy. I feel like, but maybe step in a better future direction. And that's Old Sloppy's got it. Like, it's like, do I have to pay my dues? Like, if I need to pay my dues, it is PHP. It is in PHP and Laravel. And, right, like, yeah. With OSS code? Okay. PHP is never a step in the right direction. Aw. Yeah, it's cool. This is actually really good. That's good to know. That's good to know. Yeah, and I mean, right. And profits, I think you're right, but like I am stressed. I get stressed now because of it is fun, but yeah. Yeah. I am like in data analysis, data science, like I get it and I love it and I understand it. And the reason I kind of shifted positions is because my old position where I was a data analyst, they didn't ask my advice. They weren't giving me any information about the business. They were just saying like, run these reports and go get it. It is SQL stuff. It's like SQL. I do some VBA in Excel. I create reports. I run Tableau. But I think because I'm in this new environment, like I can probably create my own software to be used at this new place if I get there anyway. I love SQL, right? SQL's a blast. It's super fun. But it's not just SQL. I also have to like develop a database because all of their data's in multiple places. What profits? Which gig do you think is the new gig? The software one or the data one? Wait. Did I say SQL? Of course I said SQL. Of course I said SQL. Test our temperature. Okay. The new one is the software one. Okay, so Profits heard software and he's like, okay, go do that. Yes, you were right. What's this? Old Sloppy, is this safe? Oh, yes. I would never want to work for Facebook. Oh, maybe I should not say that. Unless I was a software architect and they were looking in a new direction. Yeah, yeah. All right, I'll pull it up. Oh, what's this? What is this? This is a game. It's a game. It's text. Okay. I think you're right. I think you're right. I can do a ton of software with all the extra time I have on the job that I like. I know, I didn't even... Wait, hold on. Let me pull it again. That was SQL? Hold on. I need to look at it again. Oh, I did not. Oh, yeah. Sorry. Yep. This is interesting. Where is create algorithm equals undefined? So I've never seen this before. What is this? Definer equals, I haven't used any algorithms before. Like this, anyway. Facebook is mainly React and Python now. Is the new software side in languages you're interested in learning or no? Not really. I mean, the new software side job, the reason I like it right now is because it gives me extra money. This is the reason I like it. And it's an energy company, so I feel like I'm helping. And Serened, hi. Having worked in several contracts, in my opinion, when a contract expires, it's usually time to move on. And that's what I'm interested in. I would rather do a ton of contracts. Like I'd rather be like all over the place and unsure of everything than be stuck in a full-time software gig. Like I almost want to stay contractual and be like, look, I will work. You like ask me for a project. Like let's instead of like paying me hourly for the contract, let me like do a project for you. I mean, I'm not sure I'm at that level yet. As you can all see, like I do still need to grow, and but like I don't know. So yeah, Profits. As much as like I'm excited about working in a software job, I don't know if this software job is right. Aw, hi Ling. No, you're a rare swan. That's true. And that's the other thing. I think that if I grow in MySQL, I can make bank with some really low stress jobs. Oh, ad coming in 1 minute. Well, I'm going to keep talking anyway. But learn, grow, share. Absolutely. Absolutely. And I think I'll have more time to learn and grow and share. I think I'm biased to the original job. It's weird because if you asked me 4 months ago, I'd be like, oh, I want to leave this job. I'm done. I'm ready to move. But because I have this new, really great boss, because I'm doing something. No, there's not really any software development in my current place. I mean, I do some VBA and I do some like Excel backend and I, work with Tableau, but like it doesn't end up being software dev because like there is just not a lot of, it's just not that, what's the word? Mature. The data's not that mature. Like you have to get kind of high in the data maturity ladder to, I love that this says stock toilet partitions, by the way, in stock toilet positions. Like that's like, hold on a minute. This is what is going on in the background while I'm talking. Sustainable supply in stock toilet partitions. Well, that's okay. So yeah. Oh, okay. Anyway, so that's the deal. Like, I think I want to stay because I think I'll have more room to grow if I stay. The map's back. No, it's not near. If it was near me, I think it would matter, but it's not. So, doesn't matter. Okay. Chew, 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 chew. Flexin' cat. Anaconda? I don't know. I don't know if I'm a conda person or if I'm just a do code in Python if I can figure it out person. Let's go back to that installation. Let's close this guy up. That SQL was interesting and I will look at it later. Python for life. Yeah. I mean, Profits, you're doing cool stuff in Python. Pythonista. Well, thank you. Conda person is an insult. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like we don't yuck other people's yum, right? We do that too much here. Joking on chocolate. It's the best way to go. Where was I? So coding. Oh, stretch. Okay. Old Sloppy has redeemed stretch. So I'm going to pull up the stretch wheel and we are going to do a stretch because I was just going to go back to my coding anyway, so we might as well. Let's see if I can figure this out. Yep, got it. Let's see what our stretch wheel says. I don't have any legs. That's all right. Wrists. Oh, that's what I got last time. And it's freaky because it like, I know every time, look, it's that weird wrist one. Thank you, Profits. I like the wheel too. Old Sloppy helped me set it up. Oh, wrist stretch. Probably good because I've done so much typing tonight. Mostly copy pasting. Rich stress. Who else is stretching? What would you like Kat to do Kundarsa? I'll make something for it. Yeah, Kundarsa, what do you want? We'll fix it up for you. We're working this Saturday. Old Sloppy's going to teach me about my own stream. And so I can figure stuff out. Yeah, what do you want? We'll figure it out. It'll be fun. Do you want her to like blow up? Info about cat. Oh, like cat age, cat name, cat favorite color, cat favorite food. Yeah. Well, I can tell you that now while we're here. That's me, Moomy. That's me. Is Conda do you mean the IDE is Conda? No, you mean Anaconda, the interpreter, right? I feel like you mean the interpreter, but if you mean something else, let me know. All right, where did that coding Adam send? Whew, pee shiver. All right, actually, I need to take a pee break since I just stretched. I have to go pee quick. So I'll be right back. And what am I gonna do when I come back? We're gonna build the rest of this two-factor authentication, and let's just see if we could put cat on full screen. Do we have cat full screen? I don't know. We should have cat full screen. I made it an insult. Moomy made it an insult. Okay, I'll be right back. BRB. I'm not really making tea. I guess that's a good metaphor for it. I know you're just here for the cat, Condarsa. It's okay. I'm sorry it's hot where you are. Condarsa. Yeah, coding and coding gaming with Adam. It was great to have you, and thanks for staying up way past what you had originally said. I appreciate you hanging around, and I'm back. Hold on, let me go back to chat, and we will see you again. Oh, good, awesome. Thank you, Old Sloppy, for doing that. Yeah. I'm gonna stop by too, Adam, if I can. Techie girl. I am learning things. We're learning about Django OTP, which is a two-factor authentication. Well, actually, it's more than that. But we're doing two-factor authentication for the app. Is T broke? Well, T is broken. I can fix it quick. Oh, I don't even have it open. We didn't bring it up because the problems we were having in the beginning. So hold on. Let me remember how to, that was the issue. It's not up. So, I know I'm on hard mode. Yeah, I know. I think this is the hardest part, right? And then once I get this done, I'm going to understand my database so well, and I'm going to have good guts for my app, and then everybody can use it and feel safe. I mean, really, like, It's not working. Do I have to press something? Let me go look at my instructions. I do. I jump in the deep end, but that's the only way to do it for me. Because like otherwise I get bored and I stop learning. And it's not that I get bored. It's just that like I can't keep my focus if it's not really. Oh, you want to see the database? Yeah, sure. Right now it's just got the basics of Django in it and a couple of other tables, secondary tables called profile. Oh, I gotta share. Whoop, I gotta share. dbeaver's opening. Here we go. Thanks for the tip. dbeaver, thank you for the tip. So these are my tables, my database. So I've got an auth group and then I've got authenticate profiles. So this is a, oh, okay. Sorry, man. Old Sloppy's so angry. So angry. Did it work? It's coming up. I'll let you know. Have I used Falcon SQL? I like that one. I'll check it out. dbeaver is really easy because it uses SQLite, and SQLite is how I'm developing this first level. All right, that sounds good. Coding and gaming. I'll try to make my voice sultry and easier to sleep with. Will that be better? if I talk lower and nice. So let's see. Play Kofi, welcome to the stream. Thanks for coming in. Oh boy, Profits. I'm sorry, Profits. But I mean, Adam already helped with his link or their link. Sorry, you said he, she, them, but I didn't know. Yeah, that's I'm going to try their link. And so I think they earned me talking sultry. I have an amazingly low voice for a woman. We used to sing Swing Low, Sweet Chariot when I went to school, and I could sometimes hit the low notes, sometimes. So I can keep it down here and keep it like real low and real exciting, and we can like do code and style and class and jazz. Oh yeah, we do have to do voice changers. Swing low, sweet chair. Not anymore. This girl has grown. So this is my database. That is my database, Kindartha. I should just have a sign that says "Will sing poorly for bits." That's JK. I don't care. Just kidding. I'll sing anyway. I do it all the time. Oh, thank you. Thank you for that, Adam. That means a lot. Swing low. Yeah. I'll take recommendations or requests. I'm learning. Oh my God. I'm being so like crazy with what I'm changing up because I need to find that link, and I got to go to Jazz Band. I think it's probably GitHub.com, and we'll find jazz. There we go. I found it. Thank you very much for saying. It's when I speak low. When I'm high and pitchy, it's a different story. So, welcome tonight. We are coding in Django. Everyone, for those of you who just stopped in. Aw, Old Sloppy has a radio face. I didn't say that he said it. That's not true. Start saving up, Profits. Aw, thank you. So I started learning guitar, and let's follow this installation because we didn't finish installing. So now we got to go to the login URL, and then if I sing, I don't know about that piling. Now I'm consciously trying to stay like low and easy and steady. Keeps me cool. I don't see, so there's the login redirect URL. Okay, so I need to add one here. So we're about to add a login URL in our settings file. Ramble On by Led Zeppelin. Some sort of weird ASMR is just radio coding by Chrissy Codes. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm just going to say it. You are now listening to Chrissy Codes 102.1 Coding in Python, swinging style. Play those lo-fi beats. This is a blast. I'm having so much fun. Okay, login _URL. Oh, so much fun. The best, coolest, least geeky radio station. Techie. Oh, hilarious. Hilarious. Okay, so now we're going to add two-factor. Now I can't stop thinking about it. It's just going to keep going. I can't stop thinking about it. Shout out to our friend Coding and Gaming with Adam, who is riding off to the dreams tonight. Look, I can't even type. I will happy to do a voiceover for you. That would be good fun. That'd be real fun. Okay, this one is optional, but we have it, so it's here. And then add roots to my project URL configuration. I can do a play-by-play for you. Oh, absolutely. I'll be like the e-announcer, the e-sports announcer of coding. I'm happy to do that. Kicking you in the teeth with Chrissy Codes 2FA Django After Dark. Django After Dark. Oh my gosh. So, Prophets, you just like, now we have a motto. Click, clack. That's funny. That is so much fun. Okay. So we're going to get rid of this guy because I don't think this is what we're using anymore. I think we're using this now. Include TF URLs. This is cool. I wish I was a writer of these packages. I mean, I can't wait to get there. This is just too cool. Techie's laughing her butt off. Thank you, Techie. Shout out to Techie Girl. I shouldn't say great. That's kind of a grating word. Who has a fantastic stream of her own. We met there. It was awesome. All right, so we've got from two-factor URLs. That would be fun. I think that would be fun to do shout outs in radio voice. I might just adapt that. This is a lot of fun. Or like exclamation point radio voice, and I have to say whatever. Not whatever. Gotta be careful with that. There we go. No. Django After Dark. Profits. 100 followers brings a radio voice. That was the goal. Wait till you see what happens at a 101. 100-point Chrissy Codes. Django After Dark. All right. So I think I'm going to wait on the YubiKey setup for now. And if I need it, I will use it. All right, so we've got the setup. Now let's kick over. Now we're going to kick back over to the not setup. Oh, this This is step. So how do I use this then? So if I got path, I need a comma here. Oh, well, thanks for hanging out, Prophets. It was great to have you. Thanks for the raid. I think you got my last raid too. Like you came in with 7 last time, which is great. And today came in with a bunch too. So thank you so much. Yes, thank you, Coding and Gaming, for bringing the 2-factor authentication. It is much appreciated. Have a wonderful night, Prophets. Enjoy your much well-deserved rest. Okay. Or whatever it is that you do after dark. Okay. So, all right. So we are going to, so this, I don't know where this goes then. Because I feel like I need to create a different path for it. Because I don't know what these are. I mean, there's got to be getting help, installations, instructions in the documentation. So there's probably other documentation here. Setup, configuration. Oh, that's the next thing. The admin currently does not enforce with one-time passwords being set for admin users. Okay, I kind of appreciate that. Now I'm going to my config settings, and I think I have to set 2-factor patch admin, don't need it. Whether the Django admin is patched to use the default login view. I don't know, we'll see. All right, we've got this one. So the login URL should point to the login view provided by this application. Describe it in the setup. So this must be, so do I need to, so if I'm in my config here, oh, what happened? My server dropped. Login is not defined. It's cranky about something. Name error, login is not defined. Settings. All right, so we login. This is not defined. So many issues. About threading, improperly configured. OTB YubiKey must be installed to be able to use YubiKey plugin. Okay, so that's right here. One of these uses the YubiKey. We just set it up right here. So let's get rid of this because we're not using it right now. If we want to do it later, we can. Now it's got, my error says Django URLs conf, line 67. Red pie. Red pie? Red pie. Red pie. I don't know what I'm saying now. Red pie. Errored config. Yeah, I know, but where? It says TF URLs is the issue. I've never implemented YubiKey auth in my decade of coding. Look at you learning Django and talking about implementing YubiKey. Techie crawl. It's just me not knowing. It's just me not knowing like what I'm doing. So it's like, yeah, I'm going to reach for the stars because I don't know how far away they are. Red pie makes me feel so fly. It keeps me coding all the time. What am I now? Like what's it called when you do the, oh, red pie. I gotcha. No, that's cool, Kundarsa. So we have to fix this though. This says I've got an issue with authenticate URLs, which is right here. And I think it has something to do with these being the same path. I hope so. Yeah, Ducky, I hope so. I think if I do the hard stuff and I think, like I've said before, I think I know a lot of bits and pieces of coding just from like pushing through. I just have to bring it together. I just got to get it. Although I don't know. So I think the issue here with URL patterns is these are going to the same path. So maybe if I do TF here or something. But we'll see, I guess, because this is the index view of the login, but I'm not entirely sure we even want that anymore. I think we want to get out of there, actually. So right now, views.index gets my authenticate index template, which is right here. It just says hello username, which we did before. So we'll have to change that anyway. And then our accounts, this is where we log in. But I don't know, I can't tell if, oh, thanks, Pylang. I know, yes, that is exactly, I know bunches, but they're not together. There's no mashed potato in my bunches. Stop. I think, yeah, I'm going to be doing Django for a while because I really want to beat Yelp, right? We're going to beat Yelp. Or Pinterest. Or both. But thanks, yeah, Adam, I really appreciate that you found the stream too. I love it. Yeah, we're going to do it. We're going to do it. Techie, we're going to do this. Okay. So I think what I've got here, I think I'm going to actually just drop this because it's not doing anything right now. And we'll just, I probably should have commented it out. Let me just comment it out. We'll look at that later. That was an ugly sound. Sorry. All right, so we're going to set up the general settings. We've got the login URL. So we've already set that up. Let's go back to settings. Oh, but see, it's still having issues. Path TF URLs. Not enough values to unpack. What? Django URLs config, line 60. This is a... I just got rid of that. So this is saying that I have an issue with path TF URLs. Yeah, I think so. Maybe it's not the right... Maybe it's not the right... Let me have my commas in weird places. Maybe I mess this up. Two-factor URLs, import URL patterns as TF URLs. Include. I needed to say include. That is a silly mistake that I just made, but we did it. All right, we fixed it. So that should work, right? Come on. No, come on. What do you mean I don't have? It's not letting me say it's fixed. And it is fixed. Look, they fixed it. Do I get rid of this one too? How about now? Nothing. Not enough values to unpack. Expected 3 got 2. Does it autosave? Yeah, I've got autosave on. Autosave. Autosave is on. Also, if you haven't already seen this week's Humble Bundle, it's awesome. A load of Python books? Oh, that's fantastic. So do you know what I'm reading in Python right now? This is awesome. I just bought this book that was, this is cool. Oh my goodness. That's expensive. Whew. That's great though. So I got 2 scoops of Django that was recommended by Finite Singularity. So I'm gonna dive into that, but absolutely does this happen every week, this Humble Bumble? I need to Humble Bumble? Is that what I called it? Humble Bumbles bounce. Yeah, I'm gonna throw this in my somewhere. I'm just actually gonna open Discord and add it to book recommendations. Discord. Book recs. That's all my channels. You can see all my channels. To do. I should put it in book recs. Here we go. Boom. Humble bundles and book recs. Oh, thank you so much for that, Adam. Yeah, finite's great. All right, I'll take a look at it. Moomy. Moomy. Oh, Kandarsak, we made cat for you. Did you see? Old Sloppy decided to make cat for you. We should change it too. Like, what's her like saying of the day and stuff? That'd be a lot of fun. I like programming books because it doesn't say you. Old Sloppy's so mad. Okay, well, I'll check these out and I'll probably buy them because I love spending money on programming books. Some of them are bad. I agree. But the one that I used for PHP was fantastic. And it was just easy, simple, quick. I got it on Kindle. And it was just amazing. It was like my favorite. I'm going to look it up right now. Kindle. I've had a Kindle forever. I love the old Paperwhites. I love like stuff that feels like paper or looks like paper. I don't really like reading with like a screen behind. It's called Jumpstart PHP Environment, and it's fantastic. And I know we don't like PHP. Everybody trashes PHP, but like it was a really great book to just get me started, and for a job. So fair, like I was Adam, I see you in the Discord now. In that bundle, but most of them are bound to be garbage. It is true to figure out which one is which. Might as well do a review or something, right? 3 a.m. is the best time to play with the ball on the stairs. Yes, we're going to get a video of her, like bringing the bouncy ball up the stairs and pushing it down. We've been just waiting. There you go, Old Sloppy. You fixed it. Peer pressure is heavy. What did I do? Hold on and wait. What did we do? We gave you cat. We gave you cat. There's no peer pressure. We only give value. We don't give peer pressure. Discord. Oh, no. I said thanks to Adam for joining. Kundarsa, there is no peer pressure here. Because I just don't. It's just not welcome here. We don't. We appreciate who Cruz. Thanks for the follow. Welcome. The error doesn't say include. Well, it. Thank you for getting us back on track. Yeah, I don't know. I guess I could do a. Say Control S. That's saved. It did nothing. It just changed my formatting. That's all it did. Humble Bumble. It's not gonna. I can't say humble. Can't say it. Humble Bundle. Maybe if I say it in radio voice. Humble Bundle. Oh yeah, see? That's it. I just have to do everything in radio voice. I can't say it at all. Okay. I know, bah humbug, it's not safe, but what am I supposed to do here? All right, let's blow this trace back up. Blow it up. Okay. Says file frozen import lib bootstrap. What are you talking about? Twitch app, soapbox, authenticate URLs. Bah, humbug. That's one of my favorite movies. Muppet Christmas Carol. That's the first one, right? There wasn't one before that, right? This was Muppet Christmas Carol. That's the only one I know. Actually, I gotta say, Tim Curry does a reading of A Christmas Carol on Audible, or you can get it at the library, and it's awesome. Go back so you can see the code. I'm back, and this is the code. Do you want to see the website? This is the code right here, and this is the trace pack. What do you want to see? Yeah, Tim Curry. It's incredible. It's so good, and it's so like it's so good. His reading of A Christmas Carol, very good. I can't say anything more about it because it's Tim Curry and A Christmas Carol. Like, that's like bringing two amazing things together. Where do you want me to go back to, Adam? Mountain Dew Christmas Carol? Christmas flavor? I don't feel like... I feel like Mountain Dew is already the flavor of Christmas. Yeah, I'm not spoiling anything. All right, I'm waiting. Hands are up. I'm not doing anything. Except, you know, the constant, like, moving around. Hands up! This is like stretch. Does anybody get stretch? Stretch! Okay, everybody stretch with me while coding and gaming with Adam figures out what's wrong with my code. Oh, good stretches. Good stretches, good stretches. Oh my goodness, that feels amazing. Feels so good. Don't go redeeming stretch for... I can stretch for free. Line 11 in the trace back. Yeah, it's because I just saved. Shake what your mama gave ya. Hey, it almost got you out of the 5 feet club. Do you have 5 feet? This should be fine. Run my server again. Righty, I can do that. You have 15 unapplied migrations. Your project may not work properly. Haha. Python? No. Python manage.py. Currently standing on a... Who Cruise? Thank you for my first subscription! That's so exciting! Thank you! Thanks so much for the sub. That's awesome. Yay! I know! Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Who Cruise, that's awesome. And thanks for watching and hanging out. Whoop whoop! Hold Slappy, no swearing. I know, 100 follows and first sub hype. That's awesome. Floff, welcome. Who Cruise just subscribed? I'm so excited. We had an alert. Yeah, it was a little avocado dancing. It was real cool. Very cute. Who Cruise made my day. Thank you so much. Oh, Old Slappy. I think it clips anyway. I don't know where I got it. We'll see if that works. I'm so happy. Oh yeah, hi porn. I'm so excited. I'm so excited I may cry. But not right now, maybe later. Quietly, by myself. Cool. Okay, let's do some work. So we're going to restart this. Yeah, Fluff is on. Fluff, we're restarting the server. We already did not. Now we have to make a migration, or we just migrate. I don't think we have to make the migration. No, we don't have to make any migration because it's already there. Oh my good heavens. Of course I'm not in the... There we go. There we go. I know, now we really have to get emotes and all that jazz. Hey Fluff, welcome. It's an awesome day, awesome stream, awesome time. I'm so excited. You didn't misunderstand. Did you misunderstand something? No. Zai's got a sub. It was amazing. I'm so happy. Cool. I'm so happy. Thank you, Who Cruise. Just made my night. So, we now, hopefully this can work, right? Let's go check this out on the server. Let's start it over because we just did the migration. So we're going to run it again. Perfect. All right. So, yeah. Love to you too, Who Cruise. So much love. Can I sing? No. Are you asking me if I can sing now? Yes, the sound worked. I don't know if the sound worked for the alert. I don't remember, but I just was dancing and hanging out and being happy, so I'm not sure. Coding and gaming with Adam, are you asking me to sing? Or are you asking me if I can sing? Because that's two questions. Like, we'll sing for bits. That's what I said before, but no, it's okay. I'll sing for free if it's a good song. But thank you for saying I have an epic voice. I've been told I have a nice voice. My guitar teacher, who, like, I've been playing guitar for a while, you'd think he would say, "Oh, you're getting better at guitar." But no, he says, we have to, like, get your, you want me to sing Swing Low? It's too low. It doesn't really showcase my radio voice. Swing low. No. Okay. All right. Let's focus. All right. So we open the server. That means that we should be able to find this path now. If I can sing, not now, unless you want to. What do you want me to sing? I got. Let me think about some. I don't know that one. Sweet chariot. Too low for me. Coming for to carry me home. That's not it. I can't sing party rock. That's not my, like, jam. My jam is, like, singing while I'm coding accidentally. That's what I do. I sing while I code accidentally. Yeah. You guys will catch it at some time. Wait, red pie. Stay close to me. I'm so sorry. I'm just having a blast. Thank you, everybody, for being here. I really appreciate it. It's been a good night. Okay, so we are going to check this URL because we are not the kind of coders who do this stuff in our head. We check it every time to make sure it's working until we grow up to be big, bad coders. All right, here we go. Oh, thank you, Fluff. That's very nice to say. I like singing, I sing like folk, folky-ish, like Jewel was my favorite when I was a kid. And so I sang Jewel until I thought I sounded like Jewel. And that's what, she's my first inspiration before she went into, like, you know, the later 90s or the early 2000s. So this is when she was like 16 and hanging out. And then like I really like Ingrid Michaelson. The Way I Am is a favorite song of mine. And then there's this song called I Can't Rescue You so the singer on the album is Lindsay Jane, but Logan Jacks is the name of the person who sang. They transitioned. So yeah, so those are some songs that I really love to sing. But I'm like not good enough to sing on Twitch, you know? It's like as like a singer. So I'll just like, yeah. Yes. Thank you, Adam. That's really nice of you to say. That's really great of you to say. It makes me feel really good. Anytime someone says I sing well, it makes me want to sing all the time. Don't be jealous. Don't be jellies. Don't worry about it. Dun, 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 dun. That's not the right one. Oh my gosh, let me code. People, come on now. Chrissy codes. Not Chrissy sings. Chrissy will sing, though. Chrissy loves singing. It is one of my favorite things. When I learn guitar better, I'm just gonna I'm gonna sing on open mic nights, and yeah, I'm gonna just relish in singing because I really do enjoy it. It's like one of those things that I super love doing. So, but I think radio voice, Fluff, you should have been here for radio voice. Coding and Gaming with Adam said he was going to sleep like an hour ago, and it's 3 a.m. where he is. Oh no, piling my credibility. Don't. No. So this is off. Here we go. So this isn't working at all, because this should be path to auth. Oh no, that's right. You met with your friend that you haven't seen in 3 years. Right. Or never seen. Never seen? Online friend. New time. First time seeing. Yeah. Thank you. Thanks, guys. The internet says I got a nice voice. That's awesome, Fluff. I'm glad you had a good time. No, you didn't miss anything. We'll catch you up later. I did radio voice for 100 follows. Got my first sub. It's been an amazing night. People say I'm good at singing. Thank goodness there aren't any trolls in here because they would knock me down. But the people I care about in my stream right now say that I can sing, so that's cool. Okay, so this is what we should... Piling, you are a troll. The best troll. Uh-oh. Oh, nice. Oh, the event ticker is broken now. Do you want me to refresh? I can refresh because you told me how to do that. Refresh sources. How do I do that? Reload overlays. There we go. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I think so. I will sing Jewel sometime, just randomly, if you want. So if anybody can see what's going on here, this is supposed to be auth URLs, right? And maybe it's because I don't have them in here. Let's go to our URLs file here. So it's got auth and then nothing. So it should, basically, I should be able to go to... Oh, the Stream Elements page. The page tells you where the two-factor authentication is. Thank you, Mumi. Bringing us back. Mumi's like, quit the singing. Code. Now. Oh, wow. Okay. So it's auth account still, which is interesting. That's cool. All right, and then we got two-factor setup. Oh, this is going to be fun to play with. All right, you are about to take your account security to the next level. Oh my goodness gracious, this is so cool. This is so cool. I am so excited for this. Fluff, check this out. We got 2FA, 3FA, 4FA, 3FA. Piling said that there's the distraction factor, so we had to add it. So we're going to go back to this so I can look at these. So account login. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. I don't know. I don't know. So let me do this. Chrissy. And we're going to put my terrible password in here. Oh my goodness. I'm not going to save it. I got to remember it. Three-factor authentication is a made-up thing that we did just for this chat. This is what it is. 3FA. 3FA. It's distraction, the distraction factor, then the first password, and then the second one. Ian Douglas. Hey, hey, hey. Welcome. Name, password, fingerprint, and blood sample. Yes. The future of 3FA. It's you actually have to find the developer and you have to become blood brothers or sisters with them. Did I fix the bug? Did I fix what bug? It wasn't a bug. It told me where to go, and Moomy is the only one who pays attention. JK. Oh, face scan. Why you should use 3-factor authentication. 8-minute read. Let's make it 18 minutes just for fun. Blood pact. A blood sacrifice to log in. So much fun. So we just go here and then we go to login, and then that brings us to account login. No, stop it. Don't do that. Oh, Crispy. That's hilarious. Will you co-write it with me, Fluff? Piling will. Piling has to describe the third factor. Okay. Chrissy, my lame password. And now we're going to use real 2-factor authentication. We are about to take, you are about to take your account security to the next level. Follow the steps in this wizard to enable 2-factor authentication. Yes, and thank you for the follow. Yes, and are you an improver? Because that would be cool. BSing is one of my best skills. Perfect. Mine too. You should see some of the crap articles I've written in the past. But you know what? That was young Chrissy. I bet old Chrissy would write. Okay, so we can do a token generator, or we can do an email. Do we want to try the token generator? Let's see how this works, right? And then we'll try, maybe we could try YubiKey. I'm not, Chrissy writes way better BS. I just like, I have like something on bump email. Bump email? All right, so piling is bumping email. Does that mean you're like pushing it to the top? Or are you saying we should generate a token? I think I'm generated. I don't know. I'll take any, we should do a poll if you want. Bump it down. Oh, okay. She can sing, she can kind of code, and she can BS. my three, what's it called? Skills. I know. All right, Moomy. Okay. All right, hold on. Let me get my authenticator. You guys can't see this. Wait, should I show you this? Probably not. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't matter. It's local, right? This is my Adobe. Okay, so I need to add it. Oh, I don't have. Where's my auth? Okay. Nice, but I'm here for the cat. Gandarsa, the cat is here for you. I'll struggle with email and local dev at first. Oh, right. Because customize your app to discourage all use of email. All right. But people sometimes like email. I want people who like email, who still have Yahoo emails to be able to use my recommendation app. Got to get one of those remote cat treat feeder things. That would be so cool. And hook it up to Bits. Oh my God, that would be the most fun project. Okay, Chrome extensions, authenticator. Let's make sure it doesn't do any secret stuff. To Chrome, add extension. Done. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, I can't reinstall it. I don't want to reinstall it. Authenticator. Oh, okay. This is for later. Okay. So it's been added. If you're on email, if you still use email, you have to authenticate with TikTok. The new authenticator is TikTok. Oh, I gotta go back. Okay. I love that I have my own QR code now. Well, I mean, that's just for me. It's not for the app, which now I have to make one. But all right, so we go authenticator, copy. Let's see if it works. Okay, it's been added. Guys, what if it works? 188732. Congratulations! You have to do a dance on TikTok to get in. Yeah. Or you have to do like a radio voice or something. Oh my goodness. I am so excited. Make the login so that if you type the password used by someone else, it says, type in a password used by someone else. The password is already in use by Condarsa. Oh, that's funny. I made a password. Oh, you type in your email, it sends you an email with a link that redirects you back into the logged in state. Oh man, that's a lot of fun. Yeah, we're 3FA'd. Whoop whoop. So exciting. Oh my God, I'm so excited. It's been such a good day. All right, I don't want to show these codes. I have 0 backup tokens. But I guess I mean, eventually I'll do that, right? And I don't want to disable. Okay, so we've got provide a template named two-factor base to style this page and remove this message. Okay, provide a template under authenticate. Let's see. I don't know where this would be. I think it would be under auth account two-factor base. So we'll have to see where to put that. Does it require it for logging in now? Chrissy. Oh no. So this one. It's just this one then. So it must be this. Yeah, so I just have to show the codes. And where do I put this, guy? Is this going to go under templates? It's got to go under templates. I think it goes under authenticate too. But I don't know how you get it under two-factor. I guess you just write it. So I go to templates and then new folder and then two-factor. That must be what I do. And then when I won't do this right now, but I'll just new file underscore base dot HTML. HTML. What happens if I do this? Will it? It's gone now. Wonderful. Okay. So I just have to I'll just get rid of that for now. Or I'm actually going to rename it so that I know to reuse it, or to use it, but let's see, example. There we go. And now it'll go back. Ta-da! Wonderful. I know, it does seem to be working. Now we got to test the email, right? Because we already did. So let's make a new user, because I think that's probably the best idea, to make a new user and test it with email, because Chrissy is a super user. This is great. Oh, Adam, if you're not asleep yet, we've been keeping you up. This is great. Thank you. No, I really appreciate it. How did you know? I was going to call you out. Okay, so now let's add a user, which means I have to remind myself how to do that. So Techie Girl, doesn't seem like I reached for stars that were too high. Ooh, can I speak languages? Even one would be good. Thank you. Apparently I speak Django OTP. Woo woo. Don't unfollow me, please. Sorry. Okay. Thank you, Techie Girl. How's your to-do app coming? To-do? Did you guys see what's the Gallivant on Netflix? That's what I think of when I think of a to-do app. A to-do. do. Okay, so we need, I wish I could speak real Python, like speak to snakes. Oh, I guess someone already took that. It's not as cool anymore. Harry Potter speaks Python. Okay, we need to open the app and the app tutorial because I'm cheating over here in the corner and y'all can't see it. And we're going to add a user. No tests. Why would we write tests? I probably should write some tests. Absolutely should write some tests. I gotcha. Yeah, I think eventually I want to do 0% chance the email works. Absolutely. Unless I hook it up to a mail, because I don't have a mail server. Right, exactly. Oh, yeah, you're right. I have to set up. I could probably do it. No, I can't. You're right. It won't work. Well, that's cool. I'm at a place where I need to set up a server for my app to work. So I can wait on the email too. Because I don't have a server, but I've got a website that I can put it on. And then it's tick off 3FA. Oh, okay. Yeah. Let's actually utilize the checklist. 3FA, done. Okay. Wow, we did it. Mail server setup easy. Kundarsa, if you want to help, you can. If you're not just here for the cat. Let me just make another user. If I can make another user, I need to add SMT settings to your settings.py. You could just use Gmail SMTP to do it. So, the cat, absolutely we can email to the cat. What's the next hardest thing? Probably cookies and making sure the auths persists through the, or does that happen already with Django? Woo! Alex and Ander6. Welcome. Awesome. I think we're going to do cookies. Hey! Welcome. Welcome to the chat. Oh, yeah. Yeah, cookies and cat. It's so long. I forgot to tell Who Cruise that they're officially in the Smack, by the way. Welcome to the Smack, Who Cruise. Yes, a kitty, a cat, and let's see, cookies and cat. Yes, but they're Python cookies. Master Firewall, thank you for the follow. She's adorable. Her name is Jasmine. She is amazing. Probably one of the best cats I've ever had. Don't tell my other cats. Wow, Who Cruise, thank you. Thank you for the gifted sub. That's amazing. So kind. Holy crap. Welcome everybody to the Smack. This is incredible. Thank you. Wow. Oh my goodness. Seriously, this is an amazing night. Thank you so much. So let's see. Thanks for the sub. It's like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So many subs. Thank you. It was so generous. Piling. Hi, Ann. What's up, Ann? Welcome, Alex Ander6 and everybody who came in. Yeah, whew, so much overload. I'm so happy, so grateful. It has been an amazing stream tonight. So awesome. Thank you, thank you. Sayash, everybody. This is incredible. I'm so excited. I know, Sloppy, I know. It's amazing. It's so amazing. Welcome to the Smack, everybody. We're all in the Smack. That's amazing. Do you just want to see me cry? Is that you're just trying to get me emotional? Whew, so happy. Okay, so we've been able to get two-factor authentication, and we have 0 jellyfish themed things. I know. Jellies. The smack is a group of jellyfish, and I love jellyfish, and I say jellies all the time at home around the house. Oh no! Yes, it is. It's a smack or a swarm, but I thought smack would be cooler to like bring everybody into the fold. Fluff. Oh no, Fluff. Fluff asked Sloppy for mod. Yeah, what Fluff said. Oh, Josh Washi. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I appreciate it all. It's amazing. I'm so grateful. Thanks, everybody. And welcome to the smack. Star. Smackers. Yeah, we're thinking of naming channel point smackers. Like kisses, but also jellyfish. So they're like electric kisses. I might try it. We could try it. But, okay. Alexander 6. Wow. Thank you for gifting a sub to Fluff. That's incredible. So nice. Woo woo. Fluff got a star. It's amazing, you guys. Thank you so much. Fluff, welcome to the smack. Officially. All right. So we need to, I know, old Sloppy. I'm just so grateful. It's been an awesome night. It's been an incredible night. You're very special, Fluff. Oh, brilliant. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Okay. We need to focus because Moomy's going to get mad at me if I don't focus. Now I have to sing. I sing because I'm happy. Nope, off key. Don't do that again. Plus, it's like against Lauryn Hill from what's that movie from? I can't sing better than she can. What's her name from? What's the Whoopi Goldberg movie with Lauryn Hill? Nun. She's a nun. So bad. This is so bad. Oh wow. Who Cruz? What's going on? This is amazing. Thank you so much. Thanks for gifting the sub. Alexander and 6. Thanks. Welcome to the smack. I gotta welcome everybody to the smack. I gotta go in here. Hold on. Bender, welcome to the smack. Sayash, Sam Wu, Moomy, welcome to the smack. Everybody, this is incredible. This is so amazing. It's called a smack because that's a group of jellyfish. And if you go to my bio, you can see I like jellyfish a lot. And when like, do you know Finding Nemo? It's a Sister Act, by the way, is what I remember. I know, so many subs. So Techie Girl, it's you know the part where Marlin has just like fought the jellies, and one of the turtles goes, "Jellies!" I say that all the time at home, and so that's why like there's a jellyfish on my stream, and that's why like my background is like kind of like water, and that's also why yeah, Sister Act. Hold on, I can do it better. I sing because I'm happy. It's still not my key. That's not my song. It's not really there. We'll try something else sometime. Sorry. Lauryn Hill just she can't be beat, man. She can't be beat. So that's what a smack is, Techie Girl. It is a group of jellyfish. And because I say jellies, that's what it is. Anyway, so we got to get back to this two-factor authentication. Nope, we already did it. So now we got to do cookies and auth. So we got to do Django cookies. So let's look this up. Does anybody know a good Django cookies? I want real cookies. Cheers, everybody. And thank you for the sub. Hype Train. That's amazing. Woo woo. Oh my goodness. Welcome to the smack. Ian Douglas. Welcome to the smack. Maweeksy. Redshift. Josh, you're part of the smack. Oh my goodness. Ole Golf. Welcome to the smack. This is incredible. This is an amazing night. Woohoo! That's amazing. Wow. What is this? This is so amazing. Oh, the tea. Don't think you added enough tea for the amount of water. Good. Awesome. Yeah, add a lot more. Mojujoom. Welcome to the smack. This is amazing. What did you guys do? This is incredible. This is so kind. I knew we rated the right stream. Streamers who are addicted to specific animals are the bomb. Love my cat. I love my cat. She's amazing. All right. Django cookies. Cookies and cat. Man, thank you, everybody. I'm overwhelmed. You're an incredible community. Fluff, I'm so glad you tried the tea. Yeah, you probably just, I think, steep it longer, and that might help, even if you don't use the right amount of tea. I know. I don't know. I know. It's incredible. This is an amazing day. It's amazing. All right, Django cookies. This is probably not the best way to look at how to set Django cookies. I really think, actually, Condarsa, I'm hearing from Ann Douglas that that these subs are for the cat. They're not for Chrissy. We love Stack Overflow. Absolutely, we do. But I like... It is a beautiful morning. Are you singing again, Pai Lang? Using Django's session framework should cover most scenarios, but Django also now provides direct cookie manipulation methods. All right, so cat, absolutely. She's an incredible cat, like I said. She's amazing. Best cats. I can't wait. I think what I'm going to try, like I said, we're going to try to get a video of her bouncing the ball down the stairs, although she does it at 3 a.m. in the morning, like really early in the morning. And so that'll be like maybe my sub video or something, her bouncing down the stairs. Oh, thanks again. Pai Lang, welcome to the snap. Hookroos, thank you for the gifted sub. This is incredible. 7 subs. Wow. It's just amazing. Yeah, I know. It's incredible. Welcome to the smack. Well, cool, cool, cool. All right. I'm overwhelmed. I can't be less. I don't know how to get more excited. I'm so happy. Okay. So we did, I know, lucky number 7. On my day of firsts, I had 100 followers, first sub, first 7 subs. It's incredible. I'm so happy. All right, so let's get back to this cookie. Let me get distracted. 3FA, right, Pai Lang? That third distraction. First 3FA. Exactly. All for the cat. I know. It's all for the cat. Condarsa, you don't have to remind me. I understand. It's all for her. Okay. So you set a cookie by defining view request. This looks not easy. All right, so we're going to look at the session framework and the cookie manipulation. Let's see. Enabling sessions. Sessions are implemented via a piece of middleware. To enable session functionality, do the following. All right, so we got to go to middleware. And I'm so happy. I think it does contain this already. And, okay, Old Sloppy. Thank you. They're for the cat. The cat in a, I mean, that would be cruel. Cat would not like a pool. Cat in a bikini. Whew. I'm so happy. I think we're at 14. Yeah. Wait. What is this? In ancient times, cats were worshipped as gods. They have not forgotten this. That is totally fair. I don't know if it's 14. I think it's, I don't know. Old Sloppy. I don't think Old Sloppy can see them all. Ian gifted 5. I think Who Cruise. Thank you. 11 subscriptions. What is this, you guys? What? Whoa. Was this one of those things where you're like, hey, let's go make some random girl with a cat, like amazingly happy? Like, it's gotta be. That's amazing. All right, 4:40 a.m. Coding and gaming with Adam. That's crazy. Yes, I will have a great rest of the stream. And you have an amazing night. And thank you for sending this awesome code. I really appreciate it. Thanks for the follow, Burpney Spears. Nice, very funny. Welcome. And then I didn't. Welcome to this. Welcome to this Matt Crispy 17. Hey, Burpney Spears. What is this? What do I do with this? Oh. Choo choo. Oh, man. Moomy. Oh, sorry. Tonight's words were color and L. And the letter L. Oh, goodness. Yeah, cup overfloweth. I'm really happy. Thank you so much. You were designing a website? Yeah. I'm going to do that eventually, but right now. Moomy, are you unsubbing because I can't move forward? We got two-factor authentication tonight. That's awesome. That's what you're doing? Tonight's words were color and L. Oh, in your stream. That's awesome. My chat just abuses me by banning common words. Oh, I get it. That's hilarious. So you couldn't say color and you were designing a website? Whew, that's super stressful. That's hilarious, though, that they can ban words. Oh, man, that is so stressful. No, I'm sure you did not do well. I would have so much trouble. That's incredible. I'm going to have to come visit sometime. I failed in like 20 seconds. Cat stretches. And then it got clipped and put in Twitter. Oh, it sounds like your community is really incredible. So, it's been a good day. Isaac Ewing, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. It's nice to see you. Yeah, we were thinking about the word of the day, but a word of the day that we could say. But I think it'd be really fun if chat could ban words. Yeah, hey, Isaac Ewing. Ewing. Is it Ewing or Ewing? All right, hold on. Configure the session engine. Let's go. Installed apps. I want to make sure that the sessions is here. Okay, so this looks like it's here. Once you have configured your installation, install the single database table that stores session data. Easy to set up at least. Okay, cool. Yeah, I think absolutely we're going to try it. It's going to be cool. So think we should give this new span a yellow column. A yellow column. So you couldn't say L by itself, but you could say the letter L, right? Cool. Very cool. Okay, I think that I already have a session. So let's go check dbeaver, and we must have... Yeah, so we already have a session. Oh, you guys can see my password. It's hash, but that's fine. It was the letter L, like meaning myself. Oh, L. Oh, okay. Got it. Cool. I think I understand. That's awesome. That sounds, oh, you couldn't say I? Okay, no. That is so hard. Reverse hash time. Unhash. Dehash. Everybody unhash my password. I could just tell it to you. Yeah, nobody can log into my local session. It's fine. I was like, L? Yeah, I couldn't tell. Sorry. I don't know my letters yet. Yeah, it's all right. It's okay. You can't log in. I'll change it. Okay, so we've got our session, and now we have to use our session. Use database back session. I'm just so happy. If you want to use database back sessions, you need Django contrib sessions for your installed apps, which it is right here. Use cache sessions. So this is database session for better performance. Oh, maybe we switch to cache. What lights are you planning on getting when you get 20 subs? Oh, we want to get lights along the back. So this is real. This isn't a green screen. Piling, you're so happy. Oh, 20 ways to distract Chrissy. So we're going to get some, not string lights. They're like, Kitty. She wants to hang out with me because I moved. Along the grid lines of the, like we're going to do some kind of design along the back of the bookshelf so that you can we're going to hook it up to bits so you can like light up different, I mean, we're going to try, right? We're going to try to light up different, what's it called? These, designs. So we're going to see how well that goes. Or we might just start where they're like just hanging out and making pretty pictures. But yeah. So it's going to be cool. It's going to be awesome. I'm really excited. And then we'll shut off the ones back there, obviously. Oh, Kitty's purring into the mic. She loves chewing and purring into the mic. So it's cat time now. If you want to code that in Python, check the Twitch.io library. Oh, thank you. Twitch.io library for making a chat bot. That's awesome. Thank you so much, Ian, for that advice. I think we'll definitely do that. When you can point to IRL and say that's not a green screen, that means something, right? I think it means I got a cool background, right? I mean, that's how I feel about it anyway. It's not a green screen. I think it means something. Yeah, I like my back. If it was a green screen, it'd be closer. That's it. Cool. So now we need to. So I think we probably just keep it a database session for now until we can't use it anymore. Ian Douglas, I don't know if you're. I don't want to make. But so I'm just gonna add that to my Discord actually. Then I won't forget it. So to my to-do list, my to-do. And then maybe I might hit you up, Ian, if I need help. All right, so let's open my Discord so that I can. Oopsies, wrong one. So I can put it in. I'm gonna put this here. Thank you. Hold on, let me do this. Thanks, Alexander and 6. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Alexander and 6. Yeah, I hope so. Job as a mentor, so much easier. Gotta run, but enjoy the lights. Absolutely. Thank you so much. It's been amazing to have you and all your team and all your folks. Creative No, welcome to the smack. Man, thank you so much. This is incredible. And we will get those lights. Yeah, we got to go buy the lights and set them up. It's going to be awesome. Yeah, absolutely. We learn together here. Mumi guides us. Mumi is our guide. And Techie Girl brings in all the folks who can help. And Fluff gives me like background support and cheers me on, and now you have like helped so much get us some lights and some awesome upgrades. And so yeah, everybody in this community is fantastic and I love them. And Piling makes incredible jokes 99% of the time. And And Bender shares his app. I mean, we just got some, and Josh always comes in and hangs out and has an app to share that I'm really excited to critique on August 2nd. So we've got amazing people. And Kundarsa is here for the cat. Uh-oh. No, you can't lay there. Sorry, sweetheart. She's on my laptop. Sorry. No, I'm sorry. You can't lay on my laptop. Hold on a minute. Ow. Sorry, sweetheart. Oh, there we go. No laying on my laptop. God, now I have to put my... It's an amazing community. Everybody's super supportive. Finite Singularity recommends the books. Everybody's fantastic. No, don't step on the soundboard. I should be hyping. I should be hyping for every... Sorry, sweetheart. You can sit on my lap or you can sit on there, but you can't sit on my laptop. I know. I've just been so overwhelmed and distracted that all of the awesome stuff... Yeah. Finite Singularity is awesome. Everybody here is awesome. It's been an amazing night and incredible, and I'm so happy. So, yeah. But thank you, Alexander and Six, and you have a wonderful evening. Thanks for coming in, rating. It was awesome, and I can't wait to pop in and see your stream and check out what you do and ban some words in your chat. So, but you have a wonderful night. Yeah, absolutely. Good night. Thank you. Okay. So now we need to install. So I think it says if you have, so these are all different kinds of sessions. When session middleware is activated, each HTTP request object, the first argument to any Django view function will have a session attribute, which is a dictionary like object. You can read it and write to request.session at any point in your view. You can edit it multiple times. Whew. So this is backends.base.session-base. So this is the class base for sessions. All right, so I want to see if I've got a session in dbeaver. Let's look at this. So my columns, do I have any data in here? I do have session data. It expires August 5th, looks like 2022. With my session key, that's not supposed to be seen, but that's fine. No big deal right now. No, I'm not sure. I just wanted to see if I had a session. So I have a session open. And now I need to figure out how I use it. So, how to use sessions. Django provides full support for anonymous sessions. The session framework lets you store and retrieve arbitrary data on a per-site visitor basis. It stores data on the server side and abstracts the sending and receiving of cookies. Cookies contain a session ID, not the data itself, unless you're using the cookie-based backend. Wait a second. So does this mean I figured out cookies? All right. So they are already enabled. So I don't have to do anything unless I want to change the type of session that I'm using, right? So yeah. Floff, Moomy, anybody? Hello? Where did everybody go? Am I in the right? This is the base class for all session objects. I do need to configure it. Okay. But all right. Oh, you can purr. Yummy cookies. All right, let's follow this through. Once you have configured your installation, run manage.migrate to install a single data, but I've already done this. So this says, by default, Django stores sessions in your database using the model Django contribute sessions model. Though this is convenient, in some setups, it's faster to store session data elsewhere, which we can do in the cache some other time. But this is doing a database. It is configured already, I think, because I've got the session, unless I have to do it. So I have to configure it for every page. Like I have to check for the session. Let's see what's next after this. Configuring the session engine. I did that using sessions in views. I think I have to understand this a little bit. When session middleware, she's so sweet. Look at her. She's such a good kitty. Beautiful green eyes. All right. When session middleware is activated, I think it's activated because I have the session table. Each HTTP request object, the first argument to any Django view function, will have a session attribute, which is a dictionary-like object. Okay. You can read it and write to request.session at any point in your view and edit it multiple times. So if I just open, so if I go to this base HTML one, the one that has that view, and I just say, I guess if I want to do, this is my header to start, which seems dumb, but I guess I don't think it matters. And I do, no, I'm not thinking of this correctly. So if I go to model, I'd want to pull it from here, right? Do I need to do from Django dot backends? No. Dot. I'm not sure where I would start with this. Oh, thanks, Old Sloppy. I have the cat on my lap, so it's hard to sit up straight when I've got the cat on my lap. So much noise and energy. And then I'm like, meow. This is the base class for all session objects. It has the following standard dictionary methods. So if I want to use the class, I can come in here and use it here, right? But I need to import it. So how can I import this class so that I can use it? Here we go. To use cookies-based session. Okay, so that we could also do this, because we also said we would do cookies too. So to use cookies-based session, set the session engine setting. I don't know. I think I'm just trying to make sure that my my authorization like persists through the app, right? So like I don't want people to be able to go to a site without logging in directly to the site. So I need to check their session every time, right? So basically if I start a home page, or if I just do this like base HTML one, which it goes to there after it logs in and does the two-factor authentication, like maybe I can call the like ask for the session key and then check that the session is valid. So that's kind of what I'm trying to do. Is that too like high level or detailed? Like I'm not, that's what I'm trying to do. But that's what I just want to make sure that's set up before login required decorator. Oh, okay. And that will, okay, perfect. So I could do, I don't think it's going to matter here, but I have to, so this wouldn't be in a view. Hold on. Where did I put it before? So that's interesting because if I start working outside of the app, outside of this app, then I'll need to call my authenticate / login required, right? And I don't know where I'd put it either. So I guess the login required would be trying to figure out where login required would go. Login goes on the view. Oh, okay, thank you. So if we've got in this view or, all right, so if we do at login required, and we need to import the decorator from, yeah. Okay, I will do that, thank you. Excuse me, my nose is itchy. Let's see, decorators. I know what a decorator is, but view decorators. Okay, let's see. F login. It's got to be in here somewhere. Login is tiling. I'm almost tired. I'm tired too. It's midnight, so that's where I'll probably end soon, but I just want to make sure I find this decorator and start thinking about because one of the things that I need to do is HTTPS. Like I need to add it in. I really should have 2 things in this checklist because I can't usually get further than that. Let's just see if we can go look for it. Login required decorator Django. Here we go. All right, here we go. The login required decorator. As a shortcut, so I should, limiting access to login users. The raw way is to check request user is authenticated and either redirect to a login page or display an error message. So probably the redirect is better. But then login required from Django contrib auth decorators. So I guess I can put this in SSL. Okay, I'll add it. I'll add it to my Discord. That's where I keep the to-do list. Am I logged in anymore? Yeah, I am. To-do list. SSL. Okay. F2A. What was I thinking? All right. So okay. All right. But I'll make sure I understand it, maybe, so I know at least that I have that protection. Right? I think that makes sense. So maybe if I put, let me just put one right here and see if it, because this doesn't do anything, but it does ask me for like, hold on. Because I think I can load the profile now. Like if the person has a profile, actually that would be a great thing to like take them when they log in to their profile And like gotta fix my redirects, because it seems like Django's like embedded ones are fantastic, but I need to know like where it needs to go. So I gotta go to redirects somehow or fix those. Not right now, but like let's do login required. So from django.contrib.auth, and the home page can be the import login required. Okay. So let's just go to this guy, index, which is URLs. It's this one right here, right? And we will go to the app and see what's happening. Oh, looks like there are issues. Are there issues? Nope. All right, so is this auth? I need auth. No, not accounts. Hello. Hello, no one. And so if I log out, which I don't know how to do yet, but let's actually see, because we can accounts. So let's try this, and I'm going to move to account. I knew that. I did that on purpose. And there isn't a log out yet, which makes sense, I guess. But let's actually, so this is interesting. What happens if I do this and I've got unplug computer? All right, so this is the old login. This isn't the same one. I wonder if the authenticator, would the authenticator just not have a login? Let's just look, right? We need to be able to log out so that I can like end session, right? So, and then we're, yeah. So if I can log out and end the session, Django logout. Let's just see what they've got. Off? Is it in off? Log out. Okay. So cool. Change passwords, authenticating users, permissions and authorizations, default permissions, group. Let's just do this. Log out. I'll do permissions like when I need to. How to log a user out. To log a user who's been logged in via Django contribute auth login. So this is not how they have been logged in, right? They've been technically logged in with TF URLs, which does, I think, encompass, it extends the contrib auth URLs, I think, but we got to look at settings there, right? Settings. No. Admin auth. Maybe. I'm not sure it does. I have to read about it a little bit. What's that? Is that Discord? Discord made a noise. I'll look at it later. I will eat ice cream piling. Sorry. I'll read those individually next time. There is ice cream. We do have something to party. We have raisin at home too, because new job stuff and everything. So we have a lot of reasons to party. Yeah. So we have to import log out. Okay. All right. So that's a good idea. So then if we do, so we need models and, but yeah, okay, hold on. I got to think about this. No, we don't need a model. We just need, well, we need a method, right? The method has to be, but how do we know if we're logged in or logged out? Like if I go to this right now and I just like run the server, basically if I have an active session, then I'm logged in. And if I don't have an active session, then I'm logged out, right? So I need to, is that what you're thinking, Mumi? Like we check for an active session? And then the request contains that information. Oh, okay. This guy? Path, method, encoding, get. Oh, the request. Right, because you were telling me that each view gets request as a parameter. Got it. So can I like print the request? So if I go here and I say like print request, I guess I don't do that. I'll just go to the index. So I'll go to index here. Auth index, where are you, baby? Migrations, authenticate, templates, here we go. Authenticate, index. So if I say, and I won't do this yet because we don't have the user model there, but if I do, hello, you are, and then I don't think this is gonna work, but we'll look at what the parameter list is, right? From the requests. Or we can also use Django and say, what does a request look like? Request dot session. And then if we go to this guy and we go to auth, nice. So this gives us the session object, so we know we're logged in, but let's see if we can find out something a little more clear, right? So don't know what this is. Using the, where was I? Where did I do it? Where did I find that? Request objects. So is this still, this isn't the same thing though, right? I just need the actual request. Headers. Session. From session middle, a readable. Let's look at this one. So then this one maybe. So if we go back to index. Oh no, spam. Is Mixi Gaming spam? I think they are. Hi, Mixi Gaming. So we're gonna grab it from here. So we go back to the index view and we take, I know, I have spam. I'm famous. Of course, I'm like, way chill because it's 11 minutes past 12. And so it's kind of like my bedtime soon. But so do we do return for spam? I don't think so. I think we've actually gotten spam before. I wish it was for spam. That would be really special. Mixi Gaming. I'm already a famous singer. I don't know if you know this, but I sing on Twitch while I code. Not Lauryn Hill though, because I can't hit those notes. Thanks, Techie Girl. Thank you for protecting me from spammers. Okay, so we've got template. I'm doing this. So I'm gonna make a, this is tough. Look, watch me use PHP. I can't help it. That's what I do at work. All right, so we're gonna call this session dot, I don't know if it's dot or underscore dict. So session dictionary, and that's gonna equal request, is gonna be equal HTTP request dot session and we're going to import it. This is a guess. I'm guessing here. Unlurk. Oh, cat's gone. Kundarsa, I'm surprised you're here. Cat's gone. She's not even on my lap. Where'd she go? I don't know what I'm doing either. I just figured I would return the session, right? Chomp, chomp, chomp. Oh, it goes in here. Yeah, I don't know. This says some of the middleware included in Django's contributes set attributes on the request. I don't know. I guess you're right. I don't know what I'm doing either. I'm just trying to show that we're logged in. So all I'm trying to do is, hello, you are logged in or logged out. So this needs an if statement. Read like 5 lines below. Aw, Kundarsa, thank you for following the cat. That's fine. Thank you. Go ahead and bug. I appreciate it. Discord. Do we not have socials? Let's put up socials. There you go. Thanks, Sloppy. And thanks so much, Kundarsa, for hanging out. It's been great having you. The cat thanks you. I thank you. We'll see you around. I'm going to get out of here anyway soon. But Mumi said, read 5 lines below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From authentication middleware, an instance. All right, fine. If request user is authenticated. Oh, isn't she so lovely? Chrissy is so silly sometimes. If request dot user is, did you get popcorn though? Is authenticated. Return logged return. I wonder if this is as easy as it. Logged in. Didn't have time. I figured it out too quick. You should get popcorn. I mean, if you want to get popcorn, but again, I think I'm logging off by 12:30. So in a sec, as soon as we get this, that's me. I just figure out things too quick, unless it has to do with downloading Python, and then it takes me 6 hours. Else, return logged out, and then we're gonna trash this guy. I should probably make this a expected member name. Okay. I should probably do this via a parameter. Do I have to initialize? Probably not. I don't know what the rules are there though. Let's see. Session status equals else equals, and then I do return session status. Okay, and then this basically should, but I'm not sure. So now when I go to index, I need to put session status in here, right? Oh my goodness, it's like the lights are turning on. Woo woo! Let's see if this works. Who votes? Is this gonna work? We don't have to actually vote, but get. String has no attribute get. Well, it said something. Response equals get response request. Is that what I need to start with? I don't know. That doesn't seem right. Maybe I'm just not returning it correctly. I mean, that's obviously what I'm doing, right? I'm not returning it correctly. Oh, maybe that's the problem, because I don't have an H. Yeah, I know. You're right. I'm not rendering the template anymore. Yeah, I figured it out. No. Yeah. Yep. So hold on a minute. No. Let's just roll this back. Yeah, that's what I need to do. Okay, so try again. If at first you don't succeed, try again. If request, sometimes it's astounding how bad I am at coding, how much I need to learn. That's what I want to say. Is authenticated. And sometimes it's all right. Sometimes I'm like, all right. So session status equals logged in. And then else. Oh, thank you. Yeah. I'm just going back so I don't have to. Okay. And then I'm going to do session stat if user is authenticated. What is that missing? Why is that not seeing user? I mean, maybe it is, but I'm not, whatever. Session status. Do you see the SSL in there, Pylang? It's waiting for us. Equals logged in. Else session status equals logged out. And I'm going to talk through this one really quickly because clearly I did not know. So to define an index, we want a template. We want the user loader to get the template. This is the location of the HTML template. Then we do an if statement to pull the session status or pull something, right? And then we want to render. I think I can put session status here. Upon request. Will this work, Mumi? Do you have confidence in this? Whoopsies. Where's my server? Syntax error, trailer and comma. All right, let's try this again. /auth. Didn't work. Template syntax error at auth. It's got to be this. No. It looks like it's okay. It expects a dictionary. So how do I need to put dict or something? And I think you left an empty. You're right. Let me go back to here. It was closed, but it doesn't want me to. Oh, right. All right, hold on a minute. So obviously this, hold on, let me get, oh, I don't want this at all. Just go back to here. I know it's not gonna work, but, okay, and then I'm going to listen to you for a second. So if I have only one value inside here, it's a set, not a dictionary. Right, so this is a set. But if I say this says session status is a literal. Variable name inside template is this. Oh, this is inside the view. This is inside the template. Variable name inside view, but I don't need to return it like this. I need to render it some other way, is what you're saying. Oh, I see. I see. Session status. Oh, I see. Okay, hold on. So the variable name inside the template is this, but I need to say like session status is session status. And then this probably still, oh, okay, cool. So now we have to log out. Yeah, I guess I didn't need to cross my fingers. Yeah, thank you, Moomy and Piling. Yeah, it's good. But now we got to figure out how to log out. So now that we have a session status, and I think I might put this in, well, it doesn't matter right now where I put it, but I think I got to organize my URLs. Yeah, that's all Moomy. Yeah, bam, done. App is done. Close the door. Got a bunch of subs today. 100 followers. Gonna have some ice cream. That's the end. You know what? I think that is good. We'll talk about logouts, and I think next time I'm on, I think cookies and auth I might look at a little bit more, and I'll develop the homepage to be the profile next time I'm on, because that'll be pretty cool. So, alrighty. So we are going to go back to chat, and I think that's it for today. I'm feeling okay with the 3-factor authentication, and then like something that says I'm logged in. We'll think about logging out and all that stuff next time. Yes, I know Otslappy, and we'll find somebody to raid. I'm probably going to raid Mawixi because I love her so much, and I love her little zombie game. What's up, Piling? What's up? Do you have channel points you want to redeem to choose the raid? We can. Totally allowed, but you got to do it now. How come I'm not committing? All right, I'll commit. I'll do it after. It's my app. It's going to beat Yelp. I got to not commit every time, or you guys will steal it and make it famous before I do. Have a good night, techie girl. Thank you. No, I will. I'm sure I will. I gotta get a copyright or a license for it first, and then I will. I should add the database file to gitignore and the config file. No, I'll push it. Or maybe I won't until I have a license, but otherwise my passwords will be on version control. Yeah, that's probably true. Yes, that's what I'll do. I'll commit it locally. Git add all, that's important. And then git commit message local until. Yeah, I guess don't I have to pay to make my repository private? And I do want to push it. Thank you. Yeah, I know. I'm really proud. And like I do want to, Moomy, I want you to be able to see it, and like other people who like help me, who I like feel good about. I'm gonna local logged in, and what else did we do? We did 2-factor authentication, which is exciting. All right, and I won't push it right now. You don't have to pay for GitHub for private repos? I had no idea. Oh my goodness. Well, that's getting private real fast. That's exciting. I mean, I'm still excited. Like, I still am happy to share it, but like kind of want to throw an NDA out there if anybody wants to help me, like seriously, you know? So, okay, awesome. So, I really appreciate everybody. I want to like shout out. So thanks Piling for hanging out. Moomy, Techie Girl, Josh, Coding and Gaming with Adam, who Cruz, who else is here? I know. No, I'm good. Who Cruz, thank you for the many gifted subs. Alexander and Six, thanks for the support. Master Firewall. Yes, and thanks for the follow. Prophets, thanks for hanging out. So many awesome things and shout outs, and I really appreciate everybody for hanging out and talking and help me through this every time. It just keeps getting Kandarsa, thanks for following the cat. So much, so many grateful things, such an exciting stream. It was really awesome today, and I appreciate everybody. So I'm gonna head over to Maweeksy, say hello, and then I am out to sleep, and I will see you guys on Sunday. That is my new day, and I will fix the schedule. Thanks for everybody for the time. It was awesome. Good night. All right, scooching over.